everyone and welcome to a new ATFX video. My name is Gonzalo Canete and I'm here just to give you a quick amazing update on Google, included technical analysis, risk, opportunities, future projects of this company just before the results that is going to be published this week in the next 24 hours. Now, before we go to with the presentation and all details I have been preparing for you, let me remind you, if you are not subscribed to this channel, click on the bottom, click also on the bell to receive notifications with every single update. And just as an example, our previous report on Google was exactly in line with what happens in the coming months after, which means that maybe in this occasion, this Google report is actually a prediction of what could happen in the coming months. Who knows? Remember, this is not advice of any kind. Now let's go to the presentation and let's go to take a look deeply into this company. What is the main things we could expect? The whole idea is just to analyze what the situation of the company in 2025. I want to start with the earning expectations, but we're going to go quickly to the main risk and challenge they got in advance, including regulation. They are under investigation by the Department of Justice in the United States. They also need to take in consideration European regulation of AI and all of these obstacles that could limit the growth or profitability of the company. But let's go step by step. Let's start with the earning expectations. We're expecting 96.67 billions of profit or revenue, which is an annual growth around 9% year to year. There is also $2.13 of EPS, and the main revenue is driven by advertising resilience and Google Cloud growth, very similar to other companies in the same line. Meta or Amazon, they're making money. Meta, it's a high dependency on advertisements. In the case of Amazon, it's also generating good business with the cloud services. So therefore, Google is between Meta and Amazon in this competition. 88.3 billions. It was the result of the previous revenue, of the previous earnings. It was the Q3 2024 revenue. It means it was a growth of 15% year to year. Those 88.3 billions, with Google services growing 13% to 76.5 billions, and Google Cloud services growing 35% by then to 11.4 billions. Those it was the sectors leading the gains: Google services and Google Cloud. Now, in terms of profitability or operating margin expanded to 30%, reflecting cost discipline and cloud profitability. Let's take a look now to risk and opportunities on the company. Regulatory pressure. This is a very important point because we have seen that mostly all news related with Google are mentioning the legal risk and regulation that they are facing. Ongoing antitrust investigations into monopolistic practice in search and advertisements. It's leading by the Department of Justice in the United States. I think later I also mentioned the regulation in the European Union regarding artificial intelligence. It could be also an obstacle for the company. AI-driven threats. Google Cloud warns of escalating AI-powered cyber attacks, including deepfakes and phishing campaigns. Competition. Rivals like OpenAI, backed by Microsoft, and Perplexity AI challenge Google dominance in generative AI. Opportunities, AI leadership. Gemini AI, a priority for 2025 for this company, aims to reach 500 million of users with tools like AI overviews and search and notebook LM+. Cloud growth, Google Cloud Platform, GCP revenue rose 35% in the previous results, driven by AI infrastructure demand. But again, we need to see if this kind of trajectory or trend can resist over the time. Future projects, Gemini 2.0 launching in early 2025 with enhanced capabilities for cross-device integration and enterprise solutions. Notebook LM+, a premium AI tool for Google One subscribers targeting research and productivity use case, AI-powered search, expansion of AI overviews to improve query response and targeting. And in this particular case, we have seen how last week DeepSeek, it was shaking all of these big companies by improving, optimizing the resource and the budgets to increase the speed of the response they got in the generative AI replies they generating. So again, new threats on the line, which is the whole point of this report, the future threats of the innovation and integration of artificial intelligence in the technological sector. Main challenge, regulatory complaints, adapting to laws like the European AI Act while addressing global antitrust concerns, cost management, balancing AI and R&D, research and development investments, which is around 3 billion in Q3, fines, penalties against margin targets, market saturation, maintain search dominance, still 86% market share, a main generative AI disruption. It doesn't matter Perplexity, it doesn't matter ChatGPT, still Google is controlling or maintain the search dominance. App dependency, TikTok and Amazon competition because it's the new tools for advertisements. TikTok's ad revenue grew 60% in 2023, while Amazon ad business hit 47 billion, 24% year-to-year growth, threatening Google's retail search ads. So again, we can see that now we have new options apart of Google ads, Facebook Meta ads. We also now got TikTok shops and ads and Amazon. AI talents wars, OpenAI and Microsoft have posted key research, which is DeepMind's co-founder Suleiman joined Microsoft in March 2024. And now strategy outlook, CEO's vision, Google CEO's vision. Sundar Pichai has declared 2024 has a crucial year for Google, emphasizing faster and execution in artificial intelligence and regulatory navigation. Earnings stability, while near-term earnings are stable, long-term success hinges on Gemini's adoption, cloud profitability, and resolving legal challenges. So nothing should take as a guarantee. Analyst perspectives, we got analysts remain bullish on Google ability to monetize, but AI caution about rising competition and regulatory headwinds. And again, over and over again, potential legal troubles and also the increase of the competition in artificial intelligence and advertisement, which is the main source of incomes of this company. Long term, we can see in the chart that long term is giving us a projection of $20 if the company manages to keep the uptrend. Probably the next stop will be around $20. In our previous report, we marked $190 as a target and potential retracement movement. And in short term, you will see that it was exactly what happens. It was going to 190 and then retracement several times. Therefore, I believe that $190 is a clear, strong support for those ones who hold the company on the portfolio. $190 is a safe place, a safe price, a barrier, or a clear support from a technical analysis perspective to hold this stock over $190, and therefore with a potential target of $220 if the things keep going in good line, in good plans, and they are reaching the targets and they keep in the budget under this discipline they have shown in the previous reports. So let's say that eventually they could manage easily $220 per share, but be careful if we see that they're losing $190 because it's completely a different scenario if they lost that technical level of $190 per share. I think that's all. I think it's clear, short and clean, as I usually try to do. If you enjoyed this video, give me that thumb up. Leave your comments on the description, just if you want to have something or request any other analysis or any other stock or ask your opinion. I will do my best to reply your comments. Take care and see you in the next reports. Bye-bye.